everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, let me teach you on how to cancel a Google Drive storage subscription. To cancel your Google Drive storage subscription, you can easily do this on your device. For this tutorial, we'll be using an iPhone. Simply go to your settings. Next, tap your name at the top. Open subscriptions. And here, you see all of your subscriptions, including the active and inactive ones. Tap Google Drive from the active section. Now you'll see here the details of your subscription, the date and the renewal, and the price of the plan that you currently have. To cancel it, tap Cancel Subscription, or this time, tap Cancel Free Trial, as we are currently in a trial offer. Confirm your action by tapping again the Cancel or Confirm button. After doing that, your subscription has been canceled. You can renew it again whenever you like. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.